Okay, guys, there go my watermelon. Remember how little it was? It's big. The camera don't do no justice. That's the one that I had over there on that bucket. It was so tiny. It is so big now. Wow. And then here go the other one. Hopefully I'll get a watermelon out of that one. This is the other one. I don't know if it's gonna make it through this winter. And then here go another one down there. And we had that one over there. I don't know, can you really see it? Yeah, hopefully they make it. I had like 3, I thought. I don't know what I was counting. I thought I really had 8. But look how big that is. Let me put my hand, let me hold it so you guys can really get a good idea. See it? So big. Put my hand over it. It's pretty big. I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one is pretty big. Yeah. For sure, I had 8. I don't know what happened. But yeah, that's it. My watermelon. I was gonna make it this winter. And then over here we have my pepper. Look how big that is. That's big. And I have a lot of little ones. All these little ones around here. Right here. So I'll be able to cook with them for Christmas and Thanksgiving. I don't have to buy none. Thank God for that. I save a fruit penny. Then over here with my bell pepper. He's just growing pretty slow over here. Bell peppers. Then over here we got a couple of red ones. And that green one. Then all up in there. Then we have this one. I'm not even gonna buy no bell peppers. Let them grow till all those peppers. Oh, a big one. Let them grow to Thanksgiving. I'm gonna come and get those 3. Use those 3 so I don't have to buy any. You know, here we have peppers growing. Lots of peppers. I don't have to worry about no pepper. I pick the peppers as I need them and just let them continue to grow and just pick them as I need them. I'm getting pretty big. That one. Yeah, come pick them as I need them for Thanksgiving and to cook with them. Then my poor tomato plant, it broke, so that's gone. It was growing some tomatoes too. But yeah, bell pepper. By Thanksgiving, they should be pretty big. Yeah, peppers. And I'll pick them for Thanksgiving. I want to. I'm gonna pick those 3 for. There'll be a lot of them up there. But yeah. I'm gonna use these for Thanksgiving. How big is this one? Let's see. They should be pretty big in 3 weeks. Yeah, pepper going good. Bye, guys.